Let's summarize now all very important ideas from that topic, which was focused on operating performance monitoring with the toolkit based on the value matrix. First very important conclusion is about that value-based approach for monitoring corporate operating performance could be based on very different models of economic profit. We looked through cash flow, return on investments with its specific origins. We looked through the Boston Consulting Group cash value added with the workonomics, costonomics, supplynomics. We also looked through the economic value added, which permits to adjust the components of intellectual capital creation and just to provide the monitoring from that point of view as well. So they are very different, but they also, of course, are based on the idea of the capital charge. Our second very important conclusion says that the existence of all these different economic profit metrics, of course, provides the flexibility for business analyst and gives him or her a really powerful toolkit for measurement, because they all are based on the capital charge. They all are based on the risk-return trade-off conception as compared to the simple accounting metrics. And they all are very flexible due to the ability to better capture operating performance drivers of different types of companies, of different industries, of different types of business models as well, being adjustable to intellectual capital or being adjustable to so-called dominating resources. So that's why they are also flexible, not on the firm level, but they are also flexible if we go inside into the organizational structure of the company, and we can adjust the variety of the economic profit computations and measures for the differences between the internal units of the same company as well. From this follows, guys, that these new metrics, they will require simultaneously to introduce many changes into the internal managerial accounting systems and methods. And in our master degree program, you will next go through the course strategic management accounting. You will see how these ideas could be in detail interpreted and incorporated into management accounting system, because management accounting is the story how you are collecting the internal data, which captures the differences between the units, segments, product lines, customer segments, so on and so forth. The availability of that data gives you flexibility to monitor operating performance of the company, adjusting economic profits, modifying it, capitalizing strategic expenses, so on and so forth. I also would like to remind you that when looking through all these models we already discussed in that class, we should pretty well understand that all these metrics could be also used to develop specific scorecards for internal usage of the company, for their boards of directors, just to monitor the performance of executive teams, and specific scorecards, more technical and more detailed, for the executive team itself to monitor a medium-level managers in different business units. On the basis of those ideas we already discussed within this topic, we can also build the dashboards, just specific desks, a specific list of the metrics with the responsibility, with the potential actions behind them, just to improve the situation and improve these key metrics that would be captured by the dashboards. I also would like to summarize everything we already discussed in that topic to say that The models we showed in that class and in the previous class, they are the most appropriate incorporate into our business analytics the principle of multiple capitals vision of the firm. And we are now living with you at a very interesting period of time when for the computation the company should apply this multiple non-financial capitals. And we do understand that the analytical tools are a little bit still lagging the requirements of actual business practices. So it's just up to us, up to you involved into this master degree program, how we can move faster forward, developing new detailed analytical toolkits to capture the role of these non-financial multiple capitals, to adjust them to the ideas of sustainability, the need to achieve the sustainability development goals, and the need to adjust our business models to ideas of ESG, environmental social governance, mode of thinking and approach, how to combine ESG with value creation, how to develop these detailed scorecards and metrics. This would be our next step, because in the near future, you guys will go through the strategic managerial accounting as well as through sustainable finance course. Finally, last but not the least, are the different models of economic profit creation and the set of metrics to accompany these models. They overall have a power for forecasting the value creation abilities of some sample of companies, for benchmarking, and for your own lovely firm. And of course, guys, I wish you success in that topic as well as in overall course.